When you have many editors open in VS Code, you can go up to the tab bar and then scroll to actually view the additional editors that are open. So here I'm just scrolling to go through the editor list. I can scroll forward and backwards to see the entire list of tabs that I have open. Now you can also use the scroll wheel to actually switch editors. So in this case, I'm going to hold down the Shift key and then scroll, and this will let me scroll through the editor list itself. And you can see that it's now actually switching editors instead of just revealing the editors that I have open. So again, all I'm doing is holding down the Shift key. If I want to go back to the other behavior, I can just release the Shift key to peek ahead and then hold down the Shift key again to scroll through that. Now you can make the switching behavior the default as well using a setting. So let's open up the settings with Control comma or Command comma and then say scroll tabs. We want the workbench editor scroll to switch tab setting. Again, you can see that the default is off, so we'd have to hold down the Shift key for this, but I'm going to go turn that on. And now when I go up to the tab list here and scroll, I'm not holding down the Shift key or anything, but it is automatically switching editors. Now if I do hold down the Shift key here, I can actually get back to the previous behavior where it's going and revealing the tabs. So it kind of just inverts what the previous behavior was. So let's take a quick look at how you can switch editor tabs using the scroll wheel in VS Code.